Hello students, we are going to learn a topic on English grammar to grade 8. The topic of the lesson is verbs, tenses. Okay. In this sentence, the prince killed his enemy. Killed is a verb because it tells us what the prince did. Okay. Doing words. Doing words are called verbs. The verb is the most important word in a sentence. She sleeps soundly. He works hard. So, in this sentence, sleeps and works, these are also doing words. Okay, va? The verb is the most important word in a sentence. She sleeps soundly. He works hard. Okay, va? Doing words are called verbs. In this sentence, sleeps and works are verb. Okay. A verb may consist of more than one word. It is called a compound verb. Example: shall write, was reading, might have done, will have been eating. A sentence may contain only one word, but that word must be a verb. For example, go, read, pray, meditate. So these are also doing words. Okay, children. Then consider the verbs in the following sentences. Anirudh lives in Bengaluru. So in this sentence, lives is a verb. Okay. She sings sweetly. Okay, va? In this sentence, sings is a verb. Our teachers teaches. Teach is a verb. Then second one is Paul went to the test match yesterday. So in this sentence, went is a first form of verb. In this sentence, the first one, second one and third one, Anirudh lives in Bengaluru. Lives is a present form of verb. Then sings is a present form of verb. Teach is a present form of verb. Okay. The second one is Paul went to the test match yesterday. Went is a past form of verb. Okay. Arjuna killed Karna. So in this sentence, killed is a past form of verb. I wrote a letter to my father last week. In this sentence, wrote is a past form of verb. My uncle will send me a match. Okay. In this sentence, will send is a future tense. Okay. Then the rest of the team will go tomorrow. Will go is a future tense. Okay. Then I shall give you a gift. Shall give is a future tense. Okay, va? In the sentences in A, B and C, the action is spoken of as being done in the present time. Okay, va? A, B and C, these are also present tense. Okay, so the verb is said to be in the present tense. Then the second one is in the sentences in 2, A, B and C, the action is spoken of as being done in the past time. Okay, this 3, went, killed, then wrote, these are also past tense. Okay, va? So the verb is said to be in the past tense. Then in the sentences in 3, A, B and C, the action is spoken of as being done in the past time, in the future time. So these are also, they made a mistake. It will come future. Okay. So the verb is said to be in the future tense. Okay, wow. Now listen here. Will send, will go, shall give. These are also future tense. Now 12 tenses I am going to teach you. Listen here. Simple present tense. Okay, va? So these are also person, singular, plural. Okay va? First person, second person, third person. What is the first person? I and we. Okay, I first person singular, we first person plural. Okay va? Then second person, you second person singular as well as plural. Okay va? Then third person, he, she and it. So these are also third person singular, they third person plural. Okay children, for example, first person I write in singular. In plural how do we write? We write. Okay va? Why we write? We are writing we first person plural. Okay va? So I first person singular, I write, we write plural. Okay va? Second person you write, you second person singular as well as plural. Okay, in singular also you write, plural also you write. Okay va? Then third person he, she and it, these are also third person singular. Okay va? So the verb is writes. Okay va? I first person singular, write present form of verb. Okay, we first person plural, present form of verb. Okay, you second person singular as well as plural, you second person singular as well as plural, the present form of verb. Okay, here also plural also you write. Okay, then he, she and it, these three pronouns are singular. Okay va? So listen here, he writes, she writes, it writes, they write. Okay va? So listen here, how do you write in singular and plural? Okay, here note the present tense third person singular of a verb is formed by adding s or es. Okay va? If you found any third person singular pronouns are there na, we have to add the verb s or es. Write is a verb, so they are adding es, sorry, yes. Okay va? They are adding with verb yes. Okay, now listen here. Then past tense, simple past tense, first person, second person, third person. Here also person singular or plural. Okay, do you understood what is the different state from singular and plural? Now listen here, I write, sorry, I wrote. Write present tense, wrote past tense. Okay va? Write, wrote, written. Okay va? Now listen here, I wrote past tense. In singular I wrote, in plural how do we write? We wrote. Okay va? In second person singular as well as plural, you wrote. In plural also you wrote, you should be right. Then third person how do you write? He, she and it. Okay, we should not add verb with s or es. Okay, only we have to change wrote, wrote. Okay wow? He wrote, she wrote, it wrote. The same verb should be right in third person also. In plural also we should be right wrote. Okay va? They wrote. Okay, now these are also past form of verb. Then future tense. Okay va? Simple future tense, these are also persons, first person, second person, third person. This is singular and plural. Okay va? I first person singular, shall future auxiliary verb, write. Write is a present form of verb. I shall write. Okay va? In future how do you write? We shall write. Second person singular as well as plural, you will write. You will write, you will write. In plural also you should be right, you will write. In third person how do we write? He, she and it. He will write, she will write, it will write. Okay, then they will write. In plural, how do you write? They will write. Okay, wow. Then already I told you, note the present tense third person singular of a verb is formed by adding s or es. Okay, wow. This is suitable for this. Then continuous tense. Examine the following sentence. I am reading a book. The action of reading is still going on and is not yet complete. Okay, wow. I am reading a book. The action of reading is still going on. Okay, and is not yet complete. So the verb I am reading is said to be in the present continuous tense. Okay, wow. So the verb I am reading is said to be in the present continuous tense. Okay, now listening. Then we want to go for the fourth exercise. Present continuous tense. How should we write in plural and singular? Listen here. First person, second person, third person. Already I told you, I first person singular, you second person singular as well as plural, he, she and it, these are also singular pronoun. Okay, wow. So now listen here. I am writing. Okay, wow. I am writing. Am, auxiliary verb, present tense, singular. If the subject is singular, the verb also singular. Okay, wow. I am writing. Okay, wow. Why they are writing here? WRITING, writing. This is continuous tense. If we write in continuous tense, you have to add with the verb ing form. Okay, wow. I am writing. You are writing. He is writing. She is writing. It is writing. So writing, these are also continuous tense. Okay, wow. So in the future tense, in plural, how do we write present continuous tense? We are writing. See, I, first person, singular. So if the subject is singular, the verb also singular, auxiliary verb singular, we are writing. So we are writing. We, first person, plural. If the subject is plural, the verb also plural or present tense plural. Are you clear? We are writing. You are writing. They are writing. They, third person plural. So if the subject is plural, the verb also plural. Are you clear? How do you write in singular and plural in present continuous tense? Are you clear? Then past continuous tense. Then past continuous tense, how do we write? This is also persons, first person, second person, third person. So singular and plural. I was writing. So was and were, these two auxiliary verbs are used in the past tense. Okay, children. I was writing. Was, past form of verb, singular. If the subject is singular, the verb also singular. I was writing. You were writing. So you should not write you was writing. That is wrong pattern. So you were writing. Why we are using? Because you second person singular as well as plural. So we should not was here. Where only we should be right in the past form of verb. Past tense. Okay, wow. Past continuous tense. You were writing. You were writing in plural also. You were writing is the correct. Okay, wow. So in third person, he, she and it. He was writing, she was writing, it was writing. These three pronouns are he, she and it. These three pronouns are singular. So if the subject is singular, the verb also singular. Are you clear, children? So here, how do you write in plural form? They, third person plural. So if the subject is plural, the verb also plural. So how do we write? they were writing is a correct answer. Okay va. Then future continuous tense. So first person, second person, third person. Okay va. I first person singular, you second person singular as well as plural, he, she and it, these three nouns are singular third person. Are you clear, children? So now listen here. I shall be writing, this is singular. I, if I is there now, you have to use only shall. Okay va. I shall, we shall, you will, he will, she will, it will, they will. I, and if you found any I and we, you should be write shall. Auxiliary verb shall should be used. Okay va. I shall be writing, you will be writing, he will be writing, she will be writing, it will be writing. Okay. Now in plural, how do we write? We shall be writing, you will be writing, they will be writing. Do you understood how we are writing in singular in and plural also? Okay va. Then perfect tense. Perfect tenses. Consider the following sentences. We have done the work. The sentence means that we have finished doing our work. Okay va. Have shows the time of an action, namely the present time. Done shows the action is complete or perfect. Therefore have done is said to be in the present perfect tense. Okay. Then the next one is present perfect tense. Okay va. Listen here, children. I first person singular, you second person singular as well as plural, he, she and it, these are also singular. Okay va. So how do you write in present perfect tense? I have written, you have written, he have written, she have written, it have written. Okay va. In plural, we have written, you have written, they have written. Okay va. I have written, you have written, he have written, she have written, it have written. Then present perfect tense, how do you write in singular and plural? Listen. Then past perfect tense. Okay va. So first person, second person and third persons are there. So I had written, you had written, he had written, she had written, it had written. Okay va. We should use only had. That is also past perfect tense. Okay, past form of verb. Okay va. We had written, you had written, they had written. This is very easy. Okay va. Had only past tense. Okay va. Now listen here. Then future perfect tense. Okay va. These are also first person, second person, third person. Okay va. I shall have written, you will have written, he will have written, she will have written, it will have written. Here in this sentence, I shall, we shall. If you found any first person singular and plural noun, plural pronouns are there na, we should use only shall. Okay, I shall, we shall. I shall have written, we shall have written, you will have written, you will have written, they will have written. This is also future perfect tense. Okay. Then I am going to next one, perfect continuous tenses. Okay va. Examine the following sentences. She had been sleeping for a long time. Had been sleeping is said to be in the past perfect tense. Okay va. So present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Person singular and plural. First person, second person, third person. I have been writing. First person singular. In plural, we have been writing. Second person, you have been writing. You have been writing in plural also. He, she, and it, these are also third person singular. So he have been writing, she have been writing, it have been writing. Okay, ma? So in plural, we have been writing, you have been writing, they have been writing. This is also present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Then we have finished 10 tenses. Then remaining 2 tenses are there. I will teach you. Listen. Past perfect continuous tense. Okay, va? Persons. First person, second person, third person. I had been writing. We had been writing. You had been writing. You had been writing. So this is also singular. This is also plural. The same verb they are using singular and plural. Okay, children. Now listen here. He had been writing, she had been writing, it had been writing. In plural also they had been writing. This is he, she, and it. These are also third person singular. So they also third person plural. Okay, now future perfect continuous tense. This is first person, second person, third person. Future continuous, future perfect continuous tense. At the last one, I shall have been writing, you will have been writing, he will have been writing, she will have been writing, it will have been writing. Okay, va? Now, in the plural, we shall have been writing, you will have been writing, they will have been writing. The simple present tense is used in the following ways. Unrestrictive use. It is a universal statement. Okay, va? So now listen here, children. The earth goes round the sun. This is also universal statement. Okay, va? The sun rises in the east. Truth alone triumphs. Okay, va? Honey is sweet, man is mortal. Okay, va? These are also universal statement. Okay, it cannot change. Okay, va? The earth goes round the sun. It cannot change. The sun rises in the east. It cannot change. Truth alone triumphs. It cannot change. Honey is sweet. It cannot change. Man is mortal. It cannot change. Okay, these are also universal statement. To express a habitual action. Okay, va? It drinks warm water every morning. Okay, va? This is also a habitual action. I get up every morning at 4 o'clock. I go to school by electric train. The flight leaves Chennai at 0800 hours and reaches Mumbai at 1005 hours. Okay, va? These are also habitual actions. Okay. Then to indicate a future events that is part of a plan or arrangement. Okay, va? Tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow is a fast form of verb. The president arrives here next month. Okay, va? We go to Kolkata next week. When does the school reopen? So these are also future event. Okay, va? Then historic present. Marisa appears before Sita in the form of a golden deer. Okay, va? Sita asks Rama to catch the golden deer. Rama says that it is not a real deer, but Sita insists that the wants it. So Rama runs after the golden deer. Okay, va? Marisa appears before Sita in the form of a golden deer. Sita asked Rama to catch the golden deer. Okay, va. Rama says that it is not a real deer. Okay, va. But Sita insists that she wants it. So Rama runs after the golden deer. This is also historic present. Okay. Now we want to go for the book exercise. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the correct tense form of the verb in the brackets. Use the simple present tense for future reference. Okay, va? We shall go to London next week. Okay, va? What they are asking? Fill in the blanks with the correct tense form of the verb in brackets. Use the simple present tense for future reference. Okay, va? We shall go to London next week. Okay, va? This is also present tense, simple present tense for future reference. Okay, va? We shall. Okay, va? We, first person plural. If we is there na, we have to use shall. Okay, va? We shall go to London next week. That is also future reference. We shall sail for USA next Monday. Next Monday is a future. Okay, va? So we have to write shall is the correct answer. When is the school will reopen? Okay, va? So when is the school will reopen? Okay, va? So in this sentence is a present tense, will future. Okay, va? So future reference only we have to write. The film will start at 6:15 p.m. The film will start. Okay, va? The film will start at 6:15 p.m. Okay, va? The Aircard Express is leave E Road at 2130 and will arrive at Chennai in the next morning. Next morning is the future reference. Okay, va? So will is the correct answer. Then fill in the blanks with correct present perfect tense form of the verb in the brackets. Okay, va? So present perfect tense forms they are asking. Okay, va? I have do the work promptly. The company has introduced the new system. Okay, va? The company is a singular. So we have to write, if the subject is singular, the verb also singular. So has and have, these are also present tense. Okay, va? They are using in the present tense. Okay, va? You check whether if the subject is singular, the verb also singular. If the subject is plural, the verb also plural. Okay, va? I am going to the remaining exercise you have to practice. Then fill in the blanks with the correct past tense form of the verb in brackets. Okay, va? So the verb is the verb is present tense. You have to change present tense into past form of verb. Okay, va? I dash receive the parcel a month ago. Okay, va? Receive is a present tense. You have to change present tense into past tense. I received. Okay, va? I received. Only past tense they are asking. I received the parcel a month ago. Okay, va? So the girl dash leave the college last year. Okay, last year is a past form of verb. So past tense. So leave is a present tense. The past form of verb left. Okay, va? The girl left the college last year is the correct answer. Okay, va? Our pet dog dash die yesterday. Die is a present tense, died is a past tense. Okay, va? So our pet dog died yesterday. Okay, yesterday is a past tense. The patient dash was sleep well last night. Okay, va? The patient is a singular person. Okay, va? So if the subject is singular, the verb also singular. Was is a past tense singular, so that's why I am writing here was. Okay, va? The patient was not. Sleep is a present tense, you have to present tense into past form of verb, so that's why I wrote it here slept. Okay, va? The patient was not slept well last night is the correct answer. The remaining sentences you have to write. So now I want to show the exercise, books exercise. Will you write? You read 12 tenses, then only write the answer. Okay, children. So I am going to wind up this class. I hope you have understood it nicely. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. All the best. Good night.